Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can find out your Gmail password if you forgot it on your Android device. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments at the end of the video. And let us get started with you. So, on Android, the easiest way to find out your Gmail password is to go into Chrome. Next, you'll need to make sure you're logged into your account, and then click on your image. And here you will need to go to the Password Manager. This is where you'll be able to find all the passwords that are saved on your phone. To find your Gmail password, you can either just browse, or you can type the word Google into the search box. And it will bring up all your Google accounts, and you can go to them. I'm going to show you using Instagram as an example, because I don't have my Gmail passwords saved at the moment, but my Instagram passwords are saved, so I'll show you how it works. Let's say it's Google, you go to it, and then you have to either enter your PIN number or your fingerprint. After that, you'll get a page like this with your Google passwords. And what will you be able to do? You can see them, for one, because they're all hidden. If you click on the peephole, you can see the passwords. And you can also copy both the username, also the passwords, and then paste you, for example, when you sign into your Google account to log in. That's the simple way, friends, you can find out your Gmail password if you forget it. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.